Okay. Hello. So today we'll discuss about the corona because the term is usually used in the electrical system. So when we talk about the corona, so first of all, the definition of the corona. Okay. So the ionization of the air, which is around the conductor, or the phenomena of ionization of whatever the surrounding air that is across the conductor, and due to that the luminous glow will occur and a hissing noise is producing. So we say that it is a corona effect. So when we are talking about the corona, so that this is the phenomenon of ionization of the surrounding air that is around the conductor, and due to that the luminous glow with the hissing noise is produced. Uh, that is the corona effect, right? So uh, this one is showing the corona discharge. Okay, so the ionization of surrounding air across the conductor, and it will produce a glow and hissing noise. That is the corona effect, and the electric field intensity also increase because when the charging current increasing, the electric field intensity also increase. If the intensity of electric field, if it is less than 30 kV, so the current is inducing between the conductor is neglected. We are not considering it. So whenever the charge field intensity, electric field intensity also increase because the charging current is increasing, and the intensity of electric field when it is less than 30 kV, then the current which is just inducing between the conductor, we are neglecting it. But when the voltage rises above 30 kV, then the air between the conductor, it will charge. Okay, and it will start conducting, and due to that the sparking which will be occur between the conductors till the complete breakdown of the insulation properties of conductor take place. So we are talking about the field intensity. Electric field intensity it will increase because the charging current is increasing, and if the intensity of electric field, if it is less than 30 kV, then the current that is inducing between the conductor, we are neglecting that. But when the voltage exceed or rise beyond 30 kV, then the air between conductor becomes charged, and it will start conducting. Automatically the sparking will occur between the conductor, and that will be up to that point till it complete the breakdown of insulation materials of the conductors take place. So this figure shows the sparking now. So that is the corona effect that is mostly occurs. It will just on the sharp points of the insulator. As the figure shows that the insulators are there, and the sparking is there. So we are saying that on a transmission line, so corona occurs. So then we talk about, we will see this. First, the contents are there. That is the corona effect is there, how corona formation will there, and what are the factors which will affect corona, what are the disadvantages of corona, and how to minimize the corona. So corona formation, as we have already discussed about, because when we are talking about the air, it is not a perfect insulator, or under normal condition it is not a perfect insulator. So what the air, it contains free electrons and ions, and when the electric field intensity established, that will be established between the conductor, these ions and free electrons, they will experience a force on them, and due to that ions and free electrons get accelerate, and it will move in the opposite direction. And now the charge particle, During their motion, it will collide with one another, and it will also with the very slow moving uncharged molecules also. So the number of charged particles, it will go rapidly, it will increase, and this increase of conduction of air between the conductor, and automatically the breakdown will occur, and we will see the arc that is established between the conductor, that is corona, right? Now there are some factors which are affecting the corona. So following factors are there that will affect, right? First of the all, the following factors when we are talking about this one. So first is the effect of supply voltage. What the supply voltage we are seeing, what the effect of that supply voltage. Automatically, if the supply voltage is high, so corona loss will be higher. That will be transmission lines, and in low transmission lines, the corona is negligible, because in this due to inefficient electric field is there, then the corona is negligible, and it is not there to maintain the ionization. The first factor which we are talking about corona, the first factor that will affect corona first is the effect of supply voltage. Supply voltage is high, corona will be high. The lines, and when we are seeing the low transmission lines, the corona that is negligible, because insufficient electric field is there to maintain the ionization. The second point, when we are talking about the condition of the surface, conductor surface, it depends upon the condition of the surface, uh, conductor surface. Because if the conductor is smooth, no, so the electric field will be very, it will be more uniform, rather when we are comparing with the rough surface. So roughness is caused in the conductor, it is by the deposition of dirt, right? Dirt is there, then by scratching, other parameters will come into play. So the rough line decreases the corona loss in the transmission line. The second point is the condition of the conductor surface. Then we are talking about the air density factor. So you know that the corona loss, it is inversely proportional to the air density factor. That is, if the corona loss, then the increase or decrease, it will depend on increase or decrease in the density of air. And we are talking about the hilly areas, and when we are talking about the smooth areas and hilly areas, whatever the transmission line that is passing through the hilly area, it is having a higher corona loss. Okay, so when we are comparing with the plains now, so higher the transmission line which is there in hilly area, it is a higher corona, having a higher corona loss. Then we are talking about the, as compared to the transmission line which is just passing in the plains. And it is due, the factor is that in the hilly area, the density of air, it is not high, it is low. Then the effect of system voltage. When we are talking about the system voltage, it will also affect. Factor is there, one factor is that effect of system voltage. So electric field intensity, when we are talking in the space around the conductor, it will depends upon the potential difference between the two conductors. If the potential difference is high, then the electric field intensity, it will be also high, and the corona, that it will be high. So corona loss, it will increase with the increase of the voltage. Then the fifth point, which is factors affecting the corona, that is the span or the spacing between the conductors. When we're talking, if the distance between the two conductors is most, when we are comparing with the diameter of the conductor, when the distance between the conductor it is more as compared to the diameter of the conductor, then corona loss, it will occur in the conductor. And if the distance between them, it will extend the beyond the prescribed or the certain limits, then the dielectric medium between them, it will decrease, and hence corona loss also reduce. So we talked about the corona effect of corona. It's just ionization of air around the conductor or surround the conductor, and it will produce a glow and hissing noise. That is the corona, and the factors which are affecting it there. We talked about one by one. There is a supply voltage. It will affect the corona. Then the condition, whatever the smooth or rough surface of the conductors. This one, it also depend upon then the air density factor we talked, right? We talked about the transmission line which is passing in the hilly area. It have a higher corona loss when we are talking comparing with the similar transmission line in planes. Then we talked about the effect of system voltage. Then the spacing between the conductor. These are the factors which will just affect the corona. Then obviously disadvantages will be there. Corona discharge. So the effects of corona, or whatever the undesirable, when we are talking the undesirable effect of corona, right? So firstly we see the glow. The glow it will be there across the conductor. So it is obvious that it shows the power loss occur. The power loss occur will be there if the glow appears across the conductor. So it shows that power loss. Power loss is there when there is a glow appear across the conductor. Then the audio noise. Audio noise occur. It will occur because of the corona effect, and this the audio noise it will just cause the power loss on the conductor. So the disadvantage seven. This second one, the audio noise occurs because of the corona effect. Okay, and which causes the power loss in the conductor. So vibration is also a thing. So vibration of the conductor will be occur whenever the corona effect is there. So vibration, that will be also a disadvantage. Then corona effect, it will generate the ozone. The ozone is generating because conductor it will becomes more corrosive, and due to the conductor becomes more corrosive, it will just generate the ozone. And the fifth one is the corona effect, and it will produce a non-sinusoidal signal, and that non-sinusoidal like voltage, it will drop. Voltage drop will be there. That will be in the line. So corona effect, it will produce a non-sinusoidal signal, and that non-sinusoidal voltage drop will be occur in the transmission line. Then the corona loss, it will obviously it will just reduce the efficiency of the line. Then the radio and the TV interference that will be occur in the line because of the corona effect. So these are the disadvantages of corona discharge. Then we have to see what are the how we are going to minimize the corona. So when we are talking about corona, so corona it will just decrease the efficiency of the transmission line, and obviously because vibration will be there, because glow will be there, noise will be there. Okay, so whatever in the transmission line, so it will decrease the efficiency of the transmission line. So we have to see it's necessary to minimize corona. So some factors should be considered or should be taken to control the corona. First, when we are talking about the conductor diameter, right? So the other is the voltage of the line. The third one is the spacing between the conductors to minimize the corona. To reduce the corona loss, first the conductor diameter. This method is of increasing conductor diameter. The diameter of the conductor When we are increasing, it is one of the effecting, one of the effective things to minimize the corona, because we are increasing the conductor diameter, and it is also effective. And the diameter of the conductor can be increased. We are increasing the diameter of the conductor. We are using the hollow conductors there, and we are using the steel cooled aluminum conductors, that is ACSR. We are indulging that conductors to minimize the corona effect. So the diameter has to be increased, right? Or it is increased by we are putting a hollow conductors there, or when we are putting the steel coated aluminum conductor ACSR conductors there, and this will just minimize the corona. The other thing when we are talking about to minimize the corona, the voltage of the line. Okay, voltage of the transmission line. It is the voltage from the economical or optimal point of view. So voltage of the transmission is fixed, and to increase the disruptive voltage and the spacing between the conductors, it is increasing. But when we are talking about the spacing about the conductors is increased, so it is having some limitations to it. Then spacing between conductors. Okay, so conductor, if the spacing between the conductor it is increasing, then the voltage drop it will also increase, and because the inductive reactance is increasing, so that is the spacing between the conductors. Uh, it will, if the spacing conductor increase, then voltage drop between them also increase. So due to, because we have the inductive reactance over there. Okay, so what we talked about the corona, we talked about the factors affecting corona, what are the disadvantages of corona, how to minimize the corona effect, right? So we are seeing from this figure the corona discharges there, that we have already discussed, that is a transmission line is there, insulator is there, and the spacing between the insulator is there, and that glow, it is showing the uh, corona. Okay, so basically it is just ionization of surrounding air across the conductor, and due to that the glow will occur, and hissing noise is producing. So that it will uh, there for this one corona, right? So these are the main things when we are talking about uh, uh, corona, right? So I think this will be beneficial for you to see about this, because this is in the electrical terms, and transmission lines are there. So that will be the main thing about the discharge of corona, right? Thank you. Thank you very much.